Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ujjwal Marjit. So, would you like to understand a complex research topic and how to easily understand a complex research topic? So, today I am going to share with you a tool that is called the Ponder, a tool for understanding complex research topics. So, how Ponder works? Okay. So, first of all, you just open the ponder.ing, you just type in the ponder.ing URL and click, then login. Once you log in, you will be taken to this dashboard. Now you see here, hi Ujjwal Marjit, ready to dive into knowledge? Yes, so type the questions you want to ask here. So enter your research topic. So I am going to enter application of blockchain in open educational resources, and now I am going to click on the arrow button. Okay, and once you click the arrow button, the tool will start building a knowledge map here. Okay, and this knowledge map breaks down complex ideas into structured cards. This is the structured cards. You see 10 sources have been selected here and 10 cards here it will generate. Okay, so what can you do with these cards? This is the cards and this is the child generated, and they have also generated this card. So you can add your own thoughts. If you click on here, a pop-up menu below the cards will appear in front of you, and you can click on Ask AI. You can add a sibling card, you can add a child card and copy text also and trace back to origin. And in order to get the better understanding, you just click here to change the color mode. You can see the color here. Okay, so you can add your own thoughts, questions, and not only that, you can ask follow-up questions in order to explore the things. You just click here and now explain. Okay, it will take few seconds to explain it. Now you just see here, this is the part. Okay, and how to add research papers to the cards. So not only that, you can search for reliable relevant papers with built-in discovery from here. You just search and now search the papers. So blockchain in OER, you just type here and now hit the button, enter button. So Ponder will identify all reliable and relevant papers here, and you can then add or upload research papers. Not only that, you can also attach papers to specific cards. So there are two modes now: the document view. This is the document view of the entire canvas, and the file browser view. If you want to see separately, click here. You will be taken to the next page and you will see the paper from here. Okay, so now I am going to cancel it, and you see here, add a blank card. If you want to add a blank card from here, so you click here and space file, and you import file also. And once you completed the process, you can export the mind map in PNG or interactive HTML format. So in my case, I am going to export the PNG format of the mind map. So you see here the mind map here, and you can zoom it or zoom out in order to get the proper insight. Now click off. So after your pondering is complete, you can change the view to document, browser, and besides you can also download your knowledge map as PDF, and you can also ask further questions and define the ponders agent. So agent, AI agent as included here for asking questions. So you can start asking questions here. Just application of blockchain. Just type here and click. So AI is thinking. So the understanding research this way, it is more faster, means it brings discovery and analysis of research into one workspace. And not only that, it also helps you to easily identify the research gap. So you see the card have already generated here, and in order to generate the new content, you can use the concept AI agent from here. Okay, so it enables you to export knowledge as maps, reports, or data. So try Ponder for getting the cards and for understanding the complex research topics. And in order to understand the complex research topics, this tool plays a pivotal role. So thank you for watching.